Hello again, welcome back. Um, the enhanced fishing bot just got a major update. This new version doesn't just fish for you, it now automates your lures and consumables as well. So, you get the best catch rates with zero efforts, basically. So, to open the new version with the add-on, basically you click the minimap icon, or you can type /BA in chat, and that's it. The add-on now has three tabs: general, consumables, and auto destroy. Our main purpose of this video is consumables. Yeah, so this is what we are testing. Now, how to use this tab? So basically, we need to add items, be it toys, lures, potions, anything. Yeah, that is fishing related. So basically, the easiest way is to pick from bag, and you get a drop list menu, and you pick whatever you have in your bag that is usable. Yeah. So it's, for example, this, or you can just drag and drop. Yeah. Another thing is, let me just delete this one. Right. So this part here is your custom presets. You can basically create a new one. You can add a new item to your preset if you don't have the item in your bag or whatever. And let's say you added it, yeah, and you want to add this one to the your custom preset without having to do all this work. You can just press this star here, which is saved as a custom preset, and you will have it down here. So basically that's it. Now move on to the buffs, which is the most important thing. Now, as I said, it's the most important thing. This is how long the buff lasts in minutes. Okay? It is not how many fishes to catch, and it's not a delay. It just you just put in how long the item effect lasts, or basically the buff lasts. So if your lure, let's consider this is a lure, for example. If it lasts 30 minutes, you type 30 minutes, and that's it. If it lasts 10 minutes, you type 10. If it lasts 60 minutes, you type 60, and that's it. Now we have this, as you know, each item has a use type tag, yeah, which is instant and channeled. We have. So instant is for lures, potions, and toys. The bot uses them in a split second and keep fishing. Whereas channeling is for food and tea, things your character has to sit still and eat, for 10 seconds. And the bot auto detects this for you, but if you ever need to override it, just click the tag to switch, and food and the food or tea are always saved for last after your instant timers, so nothing gets wasted. Now let's move on to how to turn it on. Yeah, so after adding your item here and setting your buff, type apply. Yeah. Now after doing this, the bot comes in. Yeah. So when you get this buff, the bot, you will need to have your license key, which is a new addition that we've made. So when you join our Discord and you get your role, your customer role, you will head to downloads, yeah, and you will get your license key. You click your license key, and you will get it by our bot. Now copy it, open the bot, and basically this is a one-time use for each machine, so don't try to use this one, it will not work. And just paste it. That's it. Now the bot is asking for your, is this your first time setting it up? You need to use your keybind or your custom interrupt keybind, which is here. Right. BobberAssist custom interrupt, which is set to mouse button 4 for me. So wait, I misclicked. Let me just delete this file and open it again. So as I said, it will ask for your keybind, and you have to use it. So mouse button 4. Now it is asking for your posture. Is it standing fishing or sitting while fishing? So let's do standing while fishing. And here your audio source, just keep it default if you want. And basically that's it. Now since I don't have any actual lures, I'm just gonna remove this and I'll show you like an actual lure automation use after this after a few seconds basically. So you need to press, as you see F6 to start. So just click start, just wait a bit, and there you go. Now it is fishing automatically. Just wait a minute, and there you go. And just wait for it again to cast, and so on. So basically it will cast for as much time as you want. And just stop the bot. So bot stopped. Let me just close it, and I'll open an actual demo from a friend of ours in our Discord as well. And shout out to you for making this demo. So let me just skip a little bit. So now he opens the add-on and he's dragging basically and setting up the buff timer. You see it automatically detects if it's instant or channeled. You will see when he uses the T. You see it is automatically channeled. And just click apply now and you run the bot. And he picked, fishing while he's sitting. That's why he sat down. And there's the T buff. It is waiting for 10 seconds, and then he will get the buff, as you see, and that's it. Now it will start fishing, and that's it. Once the buff is close to expire, like 1 minute ish, or few seconds before it expires, the bot reuses them or refreshes those buffs basically, and that's how the add-on works. Yeah, if you want it, everything is in Discord. If you need information or if you need to ask anything, just hit me up in Discord. Link in description. Join and grab your license and download the bot. And yeah, happy fishing.